Hello sneaker lovers, welcome to another video of Sugar Care Academy where we test our cleaning products and skills. So, one of our viewers had asked us whether we can clean embroidered and embellished sneakers. Well, without wasting any time, we ordered these gorgeous pair from the sarisneaker.com, attended the function, danced my heart out. So look at the conditions of my shoe. देखा है क्या काफ़ी गंदे हो चुके हैं and my intentions यही थे कि मैं इन्हें गंदे करूँ. That is the reason we ordered them and I went to the wedding. So talking about the material of these shoes, यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि this is gota that has been turned into a lace. Embroidery है, this is the cloth that has been stuck, I think with glue or maybe stitched on normal shoe. But the tricky part यहाँ पे clean करना होगा the embroidery and the embellishment. यही problem आती है जिनके पास भी customized sneakers होते हैं. We are very unaware and we don't know how to go about the cleaning process because the stitches and especially जो तारे सितारे छोटे छोटे diamonds भी कई shoes में लगे हो तो how to clean them. So that will be a tricky part for me as well because I'll be doing this for the first time. The midsoles and the outsoles are of rubber, so they won't take much time and they can be easily cleaned. So let's get into the cleaning process without any further ado. I will keep the left foot for comparison basis later and work my way on the right foot. So let's remove the laces first. I will clean them later. Now dry brushing with the soft brush. Now preparing our elixir, we need the bowl, 200 ml of water, 3 squirts, that's it. Now the soft brush, dip it in, mix it. We'll start cleaning in circular motion. Of course, I'll be going gently with it because इसमें thread है, embroidery है, you have little stars, so I don't want to damage them. So in this particular case, as you can see, I'm not wiping the foam. I'm more so dapping the towel on the uppers because I don't want to ruin the embroidery or take out any sort of, stick-on material that I've actually placed on it. We are done with the uppers and honestly, जितना मैंने challenge सोचा था in my head, it wasn't that big because it got easily cleaned and as you can see the thread work has remained intact. That is what I was a little nervous about. As we're done with the uppers, we're moving on the midsoles, or midsoles will be easy peasy because it's just rubber and they're not very dirty. So all we need is a medium brush and we'll go straight in with the cleaning. We are done with the midsoles and they look absolutely wonderful. Now, coming to the outsoles, this is also rubber, so all we need is the hard brush because we have dust particles stuck to it and hard brush will take them off really easy. So guys, we're done with the cleaning of our embellished and embroidered sneaker, the uppers, the midsoles and the outsoles, and I must say guys, I'm surprised myself and shocked at the same time that how easily it came off. I was really concerned about the embroidery part of it. Now all we are left with is cleaning off the lace part and that is super easy and this can be quickly done. All you got to do is take the lace, in case this is the gota lace. So we'll take the mixture Just dip the laces inside this. Toss it, tumble it, toss it, tumble it, and the solution itself helps in breaking down the dirt. Easy. Now take one end of this and pull it out, and you're done. So we're done with the cleaning of the shoe as well as the laces. We will leave it to some time for air dry, and I will come back again to show you how was it before and how it's now after cleaning. So here we are, guys. Wedding Madness Sugar Ultimate Kit. So absolutely, if you have embellished and embroidered shoes or specially designed shoes, this kit works wonders on it. You can keep them safe, fresh all the time. You can go gaga, you can go goo goo, anything you want at the wedding. Your shoes will be taken care of by Sugar. I would like to give you a special coupon, wedding 20, but remember, only the first 20 people who order a Sugar Ultimate Kit will be given this coupon, so don't wait further, get it now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and most importantly, don't forget to love your shoes.